Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Plop token. Name of the token is PLOP, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is a very popular token on the SWI blockchain. It is named after the sound of a raindrop, because if you actually look at the SWI symbol, it is a raindrop, and so now we have the mascot here, or the unofficial mascot, I guess, of SWI, Plop, trending in the top 10. Every time I look at Dex Screener, I see this token trending. Came out 17 days, 9 hours ago, still trending number 7 on Dex Screener in the SWI section, doing very well. Big market cap, big 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the SWI Plop token. I stand corrected here. The full name of the token is SWI and then space Plop, ticker symbol PLOP. So this token here has a market cap right now of $7.3 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $299,000 in the liquidity pool in Bluemove. Now, Bluemove is the DEX, the decentralized exchange, that you could use for SWI tokens, and we're going to go over how to get this token here in a second. This token is up 75.76% in the past 24 hours, doing very well. Today they've had 1,447 transactions, and they have a 24-hour trading volume of over $500,000, $560,000 24-hour trading volume. Now, their token price today, 0.0007 USD. And this token was created a little bit over 2 weeks ago. They have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security on Dex Screener. And it says no honeypot and no mintable tokens. It says the official mascot of SWI. I don't know if it is actually the official mascot of SWI, but that's what it says on their page here on Dex Screener. So you can find this token on swiscan.xyz, and then that's, you know, when you can see the how many holders they got, things like that. But then you can see the price and the chart also on Dex Screener. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here. At Plop SWI, real easy to find that. And then if you go there, you'll see a full link tree of anywhere you need to go. Brand new Twitter, just joined September 2024, 2,056 followers, blue verified checkmark, 286 tweets so far. So they're very active on the socials. Now, the SWI scan is going to give you the contract address, their webpage, their link tree there, Dex Screener chart, all these places you could find the contract address. So if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store SWI tokens. So you could use a SWIET wallet, SWI wallet, Nightly wallet, OKX wallet, Glass wallet, Morpheus, Ellie, Martian, or Ethos. Those are all wallets you could use there. Now, you would first of all, you could download any of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get an extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with SWI, and you can fund it with SWI from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with SWE, go into the dApps, and find, you would find Bluemove, and then you would trade your SWE for the Plop token using the contract address you could find on their webpage, plopswe.com. Now, if you go to the webpage, there's a buy button there. There's also a image generator. It's called a Plop maker. They have a link to the chart. They show you step-by-step how to buy on their webpage with the contract address. So it says, Plop is here to plop SWE chain, buy under your own risks. We are a meme coin with only one goal, to create a community around SWE and Plop. Enjoy, have fun, and create your best Plop. Most rated Plops will be part of the website, and create one now. So basically they're saying like you can create your own memes. Like they basically put this raindrop picture on cartoons' heads, and they add like sunglasses and a mustache and eyeballs and all that type of stuff. And, you know, you could be creative, make your own memes, and then they might use your memes on their webpage or social medias. Like their Telegram, which is at Plop SWE Portal, 446 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements, all that type of stuff you'll find on the Telegram. And then same with on their Twitter right there. You're going to find all sorts of stuff. In their pinned tweet here, they also have the link tree. And it says, the official emoji of SWE. Join the Plops now. Any link related to our project as buy or join socials is below in the link tree. So if you go in the link tree, you're going to find buy button, Telegram group, X, chart, and website. So all the links are there on that link tree right there on the Twitter. Now, according to their SWE scan, there is a total supply here of 10 billion tokens, 6 decimal places on this token, and right now they have 2,779 holders. So this token is doing very well. I'm going to post another SWE token that's very popular today called the Blubbia token, which is the wife of Blub. If you haven't seen the Blub token, it got listed on MEXC Global, and I did a video on that a week or two ago. And so that's another very popular token. So check out Blub and Blubbia as well. Maybe I'll post some other SWE videos within the week here. It seems to be a popular chain in the last couple weeks. And yeah, check out all my other videos there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.